how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open a new tab and then simply search for Slack API and then click on the first link. Then you're gonna have to click on get started and then you're gonna have to simply install the Slack CLA. So as you can see, if you are using a Mac, you're gonna have to simply click on this link so you can see run the automated install from your terminal window, and then you're gonna have to simply authorize. Now simply click on your apps here in the top right corner, and then you're gonna have to simply click on create an app, then click from scratch, then you're gonna have to simply name it and then choose your workspace, then simply click on create, and then you're gonna be able to get the URL. So let's see, so you're gonna have to scroll down, and as you can see here you have app manifest, then you have the workflow, and as you can see you can install the app. So you're gonna have to click on install the workspace, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.